Hello friends, in this video I will show how to copy in Microsoft Word. So guys, if you have text and you want to copy, like I will create some dummy text. So if you have document and you need to text copies, so just select it and here the option copy, this second one. Put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. First one is for cut and second one is for copy. So click it and paste anywhere. And this is the first method. Also you can use the shortcut for copy and paste. Select it. Now press Ctrl C to paste, Ctrl V. Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can copy and paste in Microsoft Word.